Okay, so now it's time to take a look at adding a signature to the end of your email, which can save you some time as well and also personalize things. So go ahead and click on this cog, and we're going to look for the All Outlook Settings option, which is right there at the bottom. Once we click on that, we want to go over to the left where it says Compose and Reply. And this is going to give us a whole bunch of options, but at the top there is your email signature. So this part right here is where you can really personalize how you sign off on an email. Add your badges, put any links, anything like that. You can change your fonts. There's a whole lot that you can do with this. We can automatically include our signature on new messages, on ones that you forward and reply. You can change your message formatting. How your messages are composed, your reply and reply all features, which are controversial to say the least. We can modify or undo send. Suggested replies and text predictions we can also turn on and off, which can be convenient. But again, you're probably going to spend most of your time right here in the signature. And once you've done that, you hit save and it's done.